Hey guys, wanted to go over the hidden costs of builder incentives. So a lot of these builders that are offering these incentives, these seller incentives, they're going to pay $5,000, $6,000 in seller paid closing costs to use their lender. Well, a lot of these lenders that they're hooked up with, they actually own part of the company, so they're making money on both ends. So keep an eye out for that. Also, make sure that they send you a locked loan estimate. Because a lot of these guys charge higher fees, higher rates, and they're just building these extra costs into your loan or into the price of the home that you're paying for it. I just closed a buyer that offered on a home that they were offering $5,000 of seller paid closing costs if they went with the builder's lender. So the price was $600,000. So what my buyer did is he actually offered $595,000, used us as the lender, and got rid of that $5,000 right off the purchase price for that incentive that they were offering, which tells me that they're just building these incentives into whatever you're paying for the house. So basically you're overpaying, and then you're actually paying your own closing costs because you're paying $5,000 to $10,000 more for these seller incentives. So keep an eye out for this stuff. Watch out for these, little tricks that these guys are offering. Always get the facts and always get a second opinion. Shop it around, because you can negotiate your offer, especially in this market where properties are sitting and they're not selling super fast because of the high interest rates. So feel free to reach out to us. I'd love to go over and check out the loan quotes that you're getting before you make the offers on these properties. Let us help you try to negotiate that and get that purchase price down without having to get these seller incentives, because most of these preferred lenders that they're sending you to are going to charge you higher fees, higher interest rates. They're going to make it up somewhere. They're not going to just give you free money for no reason. So keep an eye out for this, guys, and we'll talk to you soon.